Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common error that many Java developers face when working with Apache Hadoop exception in thread main java.lang.UnsatisfiedLinkError org Apache Hadoop IO nativeio.io nativeio $Windows accessiro Ljava lang string I Z unresolved und. This error can be frustrating, especially if you're new to Hadoop or haven't encountered it before. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down what this error means, why it happens, and most importantly, how to fix it. So let's dive into the details. The unsatisfied link error is a Java exception that occurs when the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, cannot find a native library or method that's being called. In this case, the error message is complaining about a missing method in the NativeIO class of Apache Hadoop. But the reason for this error is usually due to a mismatch between the version of Hadoop you're using and the version of the native libraries on your system. You see, Hadoop relies on these native libraries to interact with the operating system, and if they're not compatible, it throws an exception. Imagine you're trying to plug in a USB device into a port that doesn't exist on your computer. That's kind of what's happening here. The Java code is trying to access a method that doesn't exist or isn't compatible with the native library. Now, let's talk about why this error happens specifically with Apache Hadoop. Hadoop is designed to work on multiple platforms, including Windows, Linux, and macOS. However, some of its components are written in CPE and rely on native libraries to interact with the operating system. When you're running Hadoop on a Windows machine, it tries to access these native libraries, which might not be present or compatible. To summarize, here are the key points to remember. The unsatisfied link error occurs when Java can't find a native library or method. This error usually happens due to version mismatches between Hadoop and native libraries. Hadoop relies on native libraries to interact with the operating system. So, what's the solution? Don't worry. We'll cover that in our next video. In the meantime, if you have any questions or comments about this error, please leave them below. If you found this explanation helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on Java, Hadoop, and other programming topics. If you're experiencing this error and want to try fixing it yourself, here are some general troubleshooting steps you can take. Check your Hadoop version, update your native libraries, or consult the Apache Hadoop documentation. We'll provide a detailed walkthrough of these steps in our next video. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.